thought my car was spotless, but boy, was I wrong. Today I'm testing something that reveals what's really lurking on your car's paint. Stay tuned and all will be revealed. In this video I'm going to be reviewing Autoglym Magma. Now the reason I'm going to be using Magma is because I want to use Autoglym's Rapid Ceramic Spray. But on the instructions of Rapid Ceramic Spray, it says, wash the car thoroughly and remove any fallout with Magma or clay detailing complete kit. So that's why I'm testing out the Magma first. And then in the next video, I'll be testing out Autoglym's
Rapid Ceramic Spray.
So let's take a look at the instructions. Before you start, check the bodywork and wheels are cool to the touch and out of direct sunlight. Shampoo the vehicle first and remove excess water. Spray Magma liberally across the bodywork, glass and wheels. Wait 3 to 5 minutes while the Magma reacts to any iron particles on the surface and turns red as it starts to dislodge them. Agitate bodywork with a soft damp sponge or wash mitt and agitate wheels with a brush or sponge before thoroughly rinsing off with water. Okay, so let's give Magma a go. The magma has now had around about 5 minutes. Those reddy spots are the iron particles. It would be good to get rid of these. So what's my thoughts on Autoglym's Magma? Well, let's take a look at the results. Well, what's my thoughts on Autoglym's Magma? Well, I'll be honest, I thought the car was clean before I started, and I didn't think Magma would pick anything up. You know, how wrong can you be? It makes you wonder where all those iron particles come from. Let me know in the comments if you know. I have no idea, but it feels good to actually get rid of them off the car. So, what score shall I give Magma? Now, this is what I will base my scoring on. Price, finish result, and how easy is it to use. You know what, I'm going to give it a 9. What's your thoughts? Have you used Magma? If you have, let me know in the comments. Can I ask, if you haven't already done so, would you please subscribe to the channel? That will help the channel grow. So I would really appreciate that. So until the next one, I'll catch you then.